Hello, and welcome to Most Significant Bit, a podcast that explores the connections between engineering, technology, humanities, and the arts. I'm Chase Crawford, and today we're discussing how hydrophobic textiles copy lotus leaves. In this episode, we will discuss the groundbreaking work of Jun Kamei and how he combined previous research at the Royal College of Art with the repellent surfaces of lotus leaves to create clothing that self-cleans and repels water with much safer eco-friendly impact. First, let's talk about those lotus leaves. These leaves are extraordinarily capable of repelling water, but how? Well, the surfaces of each leaf are covered with microscopic bumps called papillae, which also have a coating of super tiny wax crystals. This setup ensures that contact between the water drops and the leaf surface is as minimal as possible, eventually beating up the water in large clumps that then easily roll off the plant due to its waxy nature. To be more specific, what occurs mechanically is something called the Cassie-Baxter state. Instead of clinging and spreading out on a flat surface, water beads and becomes almost spherical on those leaves. This is due to the air pockets that occur between the papillae bumps, hence giving the water almost no surface area to spread or cling to like it would on a flat surface. The wax crystals also achieve a lower tension or friction on the bumps that are actually connected to the water, and make it slide much easier. Now, plants usually require water, so why would repelling it actually help the lotus leaf? Well, the genius comes from how the water actually cleans the plant. The water that beads up roll off the plant and will pick up any dirt and debris that accumulate on those leaves and remove it from that surface. This also allows the surface to optimize photosynthesis since there's no blockage of sunlight from that debris. So now that we better understand the properties of the lotus leaf, let's talk about the inventor of such biomimicry, Jun Kamei. Kamei's background includes material science research and product design, where he developed his products in the Tokyo Design Lab, a space co-authored by the Royal College of Art and the University of Tokyo. Here, Kamei developed his first innovation of biomimicry, amphibio. These are artificial gills that were made from special hydrophobic 3D printing material that could let humans breathe underwater. After developing amphibio and working on a few other projects, Kamei decided that his research in hydrophobic materials could be taken to the clothing and textile industry. Now, Kamei developing hydrophobic material is not exactly a new thing. Many other companies already sell hydrophobic clothes. However, Kamei's invention is different primarily due to its eco-friendly solution and material type. Other brands use many different layers of plastics that usually get coated in chemicals, meaning they are a significant detriment to nature and are not recyclable. However, Amphitex, which is the material that is produced in Kamei's research, is a single material of polymer, allowing for safe recycling and eliminating much of the environmental impact from production or use that comes from those chemicals. And realistically, this technology has plenty of room to develop and grow. Such a material could be expanded to heighten the viability of outdoors gear, find its way into medical gowns that self-clean, and even dive further into marine equipment. The possibilities of creating cleaner fabrics in any space are generally endless, and considering how biodegradable and safe they are for human interaction, they are a great and amazing alternative in many different spaces. Therefore, Amphitex does exactly what all other brands can do, except with even greater environmental friendliness, leaving you with a healthy and cleaner coat. Today, we covered the ingenious evolution of the lotus plant's hydrophobic qualities and how researchers converted this into hydrophobic material fit for humans to harness. Learning about Kamei's amazing work in not only creating eco-friendly material, but also artificial gills makes me think, what other ingenious inventions can we make by looking around for a moment and copying nature, the greatest inventor that stays all around us? Thanks for listening.